that intro is so creepy. Hello, my name's Somewhat Artistic Human, and I'm back with another Squishy Makeover Advent Calendar edition. But hold on, before we open this next one, we gotta talk about the comments that you guys left on yesterday's video. So, if you don't know, I showed a silhouette of today's squishy in yesterday's video, and here are the guesses that we got. This person said that it might be a kiwi. This person's guess was an egg. This person said a hedgehog or a potato. We actually got another potato guess by this person. Someone else said it looks like a rock. And there's one person that actually guessed correctly, so I'll wait to show their comment till after we open the squishy. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got for today. Why is this so hard to open? I should find a better way to open. There we go. Can you tell what it is? Probably not. Let me pull it out of this bag. And yes, I am aware that it does say this word on the bottom of it, but I found out from my dad that that is a bread company in Mexico, so it's not weird, I promise. Anyways, so today's squishy is a bread roll, so this is the person that guessed correctly, so congratulations, good job. But I really liked everyone else's guess, especially rock. Now I really want to make like a pet rock squishy. I think that would be really cute, so I might do that in the future if I get a good squishy for it. So let's take a closer look at it. So here it is. It's got the words on the back, obviously, and then it's got this weird little face on it with chocolate, so I guess it's probably more like a sweet roll than like a dinner roll, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna start getting into the makeover by peeling off this paint, which is very satisfying to do. It's the best. I love peeling off the like puffy paint on squishies. Why is it so fun? And then I'm also gonna just go ahead and pull out this keychain because I don't really like it. I don't want a keychain. So there we go. And now that I have all that done, I can stuff this hole with some leftover scrap foam pieces that I have laying around so that there's not a little air bubble in it. So I'm just using a toothpick to poke in the little foam pieces that I've got. And this squishy is very porous, so I don't have to worry about staining it, which is nice. So I'm just going to take a random puffy paint and spread it all over the top, because where the chocolate was, there's some pretty deep lines in there, so I want to fill those in so you can't see that through the paint job that I'm going to be doing. I have this little like spatula thing that I use for this. You can use a popsicle stick, but I don't like throwing those away, so I just use this over and over again. Yeah, I'm just doing my best to make sure I'm smoothing it over those spots and getting it nice and thick. And then I also want to make sure that I'm not leaving bumps and lumps and stuff, so I'm making it as smooth as I can. And after I finish that, I did a white base coat on it, and now I'm going to paint the bottom yellow, because I'm going to make this into like a grapefruit that's been sliced in half. So I got a nice kind of light yellow color. And many coats later, we have it to this point. So now I'm going to do the cut in half part. So I've got this nice reddish pink color, so I can do a pink grapefruit. And I'm just doing my best to not get too far over onto the yellow because I want to make sure I have enough for the peel left over, and the little white bit that's in there. What is that called? Hey Siri, what's the white part of a grapefruit called?
Here's an answer from organicfacts.net. White grapefruit gets its name due to the pale color of its flesh.
No, that's not what I wanted. What is the white part in citrus called?
Here's what I found.
I don't know. I can't find it. But you know what I'm talking about. The little white separator part in grapefruits and all citrus, really. Citrus is probably my favorite fruit. I really love grapefruits. I know a lot of people don't, but like I really like sour fruits. Like as a kid and now sometimes I would just eat lemons as they are, or maybe with a little bit of sugar on them, but I really like them. I love sour food. But don't do that. Don't eat lemons. Just straight lemons. It's super bad for your teeth. Like, my teeth are real messed up because of it. So don't do that. don't follow my example. So as you can see, I've been working on doing the little white separation bits, whatever that's called. Because Siri was no help, so I still don't know. So yeah, while I'm working on this, let's look at tomorrow's silhouette so you guys can guess in the comments what you think it's gonna be. This one I feel like is a pretty easy one, so here you go. I don't think it'll be too difficult to guess this one, but we'll see what you guys say. Yeah, so good luck, and if you do put a comment down below, I will most likely feature it in tomorrow's video because there probably won't be too many comments. So make sure you comment down below if you want to be able to be in tomorrow's video. So now I'm just doing another coat on this little white bit because it was pretty see-through before, and I realized I should like round out the edges of the fruit part so that it looks more realistic, because without those rounded edges it looked really blocky and weird and kind of more like a mint than a citrus fruit thing. But yeah, this one was a really simple makeover, so that's pretty much it, and don't worry, I will fix this bit off camera later on. I realized that was weird, so don't worry, it's not gonna stay. But yeah, that's it for this one. It was, like I said, really easy and simple, and I think it turned out really cute. Like I said, I really love citrus, so it's really fun to have this in my collection now. And I think it turned out good. I like the colors that I used. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm really enjoying this series, and it's been a lot of fun to just see what random squishy I get each day. And I hope that you're enjoying it too. Don't forget to leave your comment with what you think tomorrow's squishy is with this silhouette, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. If you do want to get notifications when I post, because it is kind of random, I haven't figured out a schedule yet, make sure you hit the bell icon and put it on all notifications so that you get notified when I post the next video. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.